The greatest comeback of a nation. If a man is destroyed, can he make a comeback and that too a very impactful one? Yes, indeed, he may. But what about a nation completely wiped out for nearly 2000 years? Its land trampled by foreigners, the temple destroyed by heathens, its monument and development burned down, and its people scattered all across the globe as refugees. That is the story of today's video. Israel. Though a nation formed 4000 years back, when Abraham walked into Canaan, the land promised by his God to him and his descendants, Jacob, the grandson and inheritor of Abraham's blessing, wrestled with God and was blessed with a name established by his God, Israel, which literally means wrestled with God or triumphant with God. Thus started the nation of Israel. The descendants of Jacob are known as the Jewish people. You may see some of them over here. Israel was completely wiped out from the political map of the world in 70 CE by the Roman conquest after the death and the resurrection of Jesus Christ. The torture and atrocities by the Roman Empire made the Jewish people to flee, leave their promised land and migrate to different countries as refugees. They were scattered across the globe. Israel, its culture, tradition, Passover, miracles, the blessings of Israel's God was alive in the hearts of its people, but no more on the land. In spite of many rulers, powers, authorities, kings, and dictators trying to wipe out the Jews, the only remnants of Israel, they still survived and flourished. And in 1948, Israel was once again formed as a nation and got its existence as a country back in the political map of the world. And Jews from all over started to return to their own land. Surprisingly, a Jew born anywhere in the world automatically gets the Israeli citizenship and can return home anytime. There is no tribe or nation in the world that was wiped out like this for nearly 2000 years, but has come back with all its culture and tradition preserved. But Israel has. It has even revived its dead Hebrew language and nationalized it. It has made a comeback. Now let's see its impact. Size? Nearly half of Kerala when it was formed. The land was dry and arid. The dry land was a challenge. Israelis overcame that challenge by developing innovative sprinklers, water drip irrigation method that provides water to all the plants all the time. What was the result? The dry desert was transformed into thick forest with highly irrigated soil in just 70 years' time. Agriculturists from all across the world visit Israel to learn new agricultural technologies and irrigation methods from them. Isn't it a miracle? Israel is one of the best suppliers of fruits and vegetables to the world, in spite of the fact that it has less land and has a very dry climate. Now let's see its contribution in technology. With a population of nearly 9 million, it has the best brain for research and development. It is like every child is a scientist there. The research and development center of all major giant companies like Microsoft, Intel, Apple, Amazon, IBM, Motorola, SanDisk, Cisco, the list is on, is in Israel. Not just few setups, but rapidly expanding giant setups, from artificial intelligence to robotic, from USB cable, pen drives to voice over mail services, antivirus softwares to Google Suggest. It has all developed in Israel. Waze, The GPS navigation system was started by Israeli venture, which was later acquired by Google. Israel has an IT hub called Silicon Valley, which is nothing less than Boston or California. This makes Israel economically very stable. According to the list published by Forbes magazine in 2021, there are 71 billionaires in the small land of Israel. Israel uses this money to invest in new ventures, which is correctly why Israel is known as the startup nation of the world. It has more business startups than any other nation, one in every 1400 people. Now let's move to its defense. Israel's army is amongst the strongest military of the world and an unbeatable one, as seen in the Six-Day War, where Israel alone in 6 days defeated the Arab coalition and acquired new territories. We all know about Mossad, isn't it? The intelligence services of Israel, which is the most powerful in the world. Talk about weapons manufactured for the security purpose. It's of world class. India imports its major weapons from Israel. Anything from anti-ballistic missiles to robotically controlled tankers to light-weighted machine guns, they are of world class. Not just in defense and development, agriculture and prosperity, Israel has also maintained its culture, religion and tradition. Its museum, its monument is a reflection of its past. The Torah, architecture, mixed with development, makes Israel a miracle on this earth and has surely made a comeback with a greater impact.
In the evenings, when the sun sets, you see this tiny, towering nation surrounded by enemies on all sides. A prayer lifts up towards heaven, saying, Shalom, Yerushalayim. Peace to Jerusalem. Shalom, indeed.
For more information like this, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media.